Well, it looks like 2 cities in Florida get hit with ransomware, and both cities pay up. Oopsie. All right, welcome back. Well, ransomware is something we don't really talk about that much in Linux, or really in Windows for that matter. Windows 10 has done a pretty good job of keeping the nasties out, but let's take a look at this story coming out of Florida. So attackers earn, over $1 million in Florida ransomware attacks. Hackers launching ransomware attacks against municipalities in Florida locked earnings. I use that loosely, in excess of $1 million this month, as administrators of 2 cities found no other way except to pay the ransom. That's not good. The ransomware attack was dubbed triple threat. It mixes 3 methods of compromise. And the computers of the city of Lake City ceased to function as the malware encrypted the data on them. The attackers demanded ransom of 42 bitcoins, which is valued at over $530,000. I wonder why so low. It's just a thought. Disconnecting the affected systems after the infection did not prevent the malware from impacting. Yep. Let's see here. Emergency services like those used by the police and fire department remained unaffected because they were on a separate network. Good. The systems shut down, but there was no evidence to indicate any sensitive data has been compromised. But this is the most important thing. With no proper backup to restore the data from. Oh, we need to back up? Yep, you need to back up no matter what you use. Windows, Linux, Mac, whatever you do, you need a backup. Well, I guess they're going to get a backup now. With the report says that most of the ransomware is covered by the insurance, except for $10,000. And this was the second city, Lake City and Riviera Beach, also in Florida. This happened back in May 29th. This is from bleepingcomputer.com. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes if you're interested. But yeah, it seems to me that Florida can use some Linux love. How about some Ubuntu Mate love? Love me tender, love me